Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a close friends list on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! You can create a close friend list on Instagram so that when you share things like a post, note, reel, or story, you can choose for only people on that list to see it. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram and then tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. There's an option, close friends. Tap on that. Now you can choose account or your friend that you want to add to your close friend list. I will choose this and this. You can click done. Now I will make a story and I will share it only to my close friend. Like this. Tap on close friends over here. I will wait. It's done. I will see it from my other account. So this account, let's switch the account first. Here's the story. Let's see. You can see when someone is added to your close friend list, they'll see a green star when viewing your notes, reels, or stories that let them know they're part of your list. They may also see a green ring around your profile photo. If someone on your list likes, comment on, or shares your reel, other on your close friend will be able to see their username and how they interact with your reel. And no one can request to be added to your close friend list. So that is how to create a close friends list on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!